Hello friends, thank you for choosing to unwind with me on this pier-themed photo walk. I visited the Ventura Pier and Port Hueneme Pier for this episode, with some bonus sunset photography from Strand Beach. The stills at Ventura Pier were photographed with my 1993 Leica 50mm Summicron adapted to the Nikon Zf. I chose this combo in hopes that it would give the photos a vintage summer feel. I got wet. All the other photos were made with the Hasselblad 38mm on the X2D. I chose this combo for its dynamic range, as I knew I would be going out at sunset. Due to the wind at the shore and out over the water, you won't hear much from me in the field, and I'm afraid there are no dogs in this episode. But you will see fishermen, my lovely Aunt Donna, and some glorious sunsets. Enjoy! There's some fishermen here.
No, that's not good.
Get up right here with you. That's really neat with the shadow of the pier.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, he just cast off again.
Oh.
But it doesn't... turn and get the reflection. Run back out. Wasn't even close. That about wraps up this pier-themed episode. I learned a lot about adapting lenses to the Nikon Zf, photographing sunsets, and creating long exposures of the ocean. But most importantly, I had a lot of fun. If you did too, please subscribe and we'll unwind again soon. Cheers!